Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can add audio in Capcut. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Capcut and I have imported my video as well, and we're going to add audio to this video. So if we want to add audio, we can click on this audio button right here, or we can also click on this add audio option. Then I'm just going to click on this button, then click on sounds right here and choose the audio that you want to add to your video. You can choose audio from Capcut, or you can also add audio from your device. If you want to add audio from Capcut, you can click on this button, but if you want to add audio from your device, you can click on this button, then click on from device, and you can search your audio by clicking on the search button, or you can scroll your screen until you find the audio that you like, and after that just click on this plus button to add that audio to your video. Alright guys, and now the audio has been added to this videos, and that's how we can add audio to Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.